Hello guys, good afternoon from Portugal. Hola, boa tarde. Okay, tenho sessão de 9 euros. Okay, let's start. Vamos começar. Okay, let's start with palabras solturas because this putty de mail is a pain in the ass to scratch. Okay, I have ticket number 18 and 19, 18 y 19. Let's play the old-fashioned way. I use this coin. Random red US channels. R and L. R, R, R. There's no L. No L. No L. S and F. F, S. But there's L here. S, S, L. F. Okay. X and B. No X, no B. No X, no B. What the hell? There's nothing. D and G. D. No D. E and H. E. 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 No H. U is a winner. Sold. U and P. U. U. Where's the P? No P. C and V. C. C. E. I think I saw V somewhere here. Oh Lord, this doesn't work. Let me get a normal coin. Okay, V. E. E. J. No. No. N. The most useless letters came out. There's H here. There's B. Ay, Lord, Zika. C. You're blind or what? I need letter A to win. And there's J here. There's U. Ay, there's no T. Last letter. I. I, but no M. I, but no A. No M. No O. No M, no O, no A. Only one win. There's I, but no letter A. Let's hope this is a good win. And not that famous 3 euro. I sure. 3 euro. I'm sure I win. No doubt. Okay, so this is confirmed. Coffee money. Okay, so coffee money. I won coffee money. Ticket number 18. Coffee money. M and Q. No Q. Only one M. B and U. U. B. And they don't put a lot of U, of course. F. 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 Okay. And then T and I. T. T. There's N here. Okay. D and X. D. No D. Oh, Jessica, there's a lot of D. Are you blind or what? No X. Okay. H and V. Two useless letters. Okay, so all E. E. There's no S. E. 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 There's D. No D. No P. C. No C. Or I don't see. There's no C. There's C. P. P. There's D. I need O to win. Give me O. The most useless letter. There's B here. There's I, but no S. No S. So I don't win, of course. Okay, there's no S. There's no O. There's no S. No L. Okay, so this is not a winner. Okay, so I got €3 out of 9. Let's hope this is a winner. 14, 42, 42, 14, 46, 59, 46, 59. This is set, this is no. This is set, this is no. 12, 2, 12, 2. Okay, 25. 25, 13, 13, 13, 35, 35, 4, 4, 44. Okay. 22. 12. 44. There's 34, no? 45. 45, where? 47. Very far from reality, guys. 60. I need 49 to win 5. And they give me 33. And there's no 49. No. Okay, so this is not a winner. S and J. Okay, so I got the famous 3 euro. Okay, so I got the famous 3 euro, guys. I was so tired of this lottery, guys. Okay, bye. It took me 11 minutes and 34 seconds to know that I won coffee money. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigado a todos. Ciao.